Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming accounts so nothing blocks the transfer. Sign into the same Behavior Interactive account on both Xbox and Steam. That central account is the bridge. Once done, enable two-factor authentication on Behavior for security and fewer hiccups. Next, launch Dead by Daylight on the Xbox, go to the main menu, and open the account or cross-progression area so you're ready to accept or generate a link code. Now you'll generate and enter the link code that ties the two game installs together. On the Xbox, go to Account Link Console/PC and choose Generate Code. It's short-lived, so act fast. Then on your Steam PC, open Dead by Daylight, sign into the identical Behavior account, and select Link Console, enter the code shown on Xbox. Make sure the platform names match the devices you intend to merge, because confirming links swaps progression across those exact profiles. Finish by accepting any confirmation prompts on Xbox and Steam so the system can sync progression. You'll see items and progression import within minutes. Make sure you don't quit mid-sync. If something goes wrong, check you're logged into the same Behavior account, that two-factor authentication isn't blocking sign-in, and that the generated code didn't expire. If issues persist, collect your Xbox gamer tag, Steam name, and Behavior ID. Then contact Behavior Support. They can reconcile account links on their side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.